Hi everyone, this is the presentations of mathematics department. Our topic is how can you make liar tell the truth? Let me tell you a story. One day Ergum the axeman was passing by the tower of Trunod when a voice called out. Ergum looked up and saw his friend Thag, the mathematician, peering out of a high window. He pulled out this massive axe and shouted back, "Don't worry, Thag, I am coming in." Do you know what a mathematician is? A mathematician is a magician who uses mathematics to solve problems, to exercise his magic. So he's called a mathematician. "No, stop," shouted Thag. "Watch out for the ghost." Ergum looked at the two little guards who were standing in front of the doors into the tower. "Ha," he scoffed. "They don't scare me. But you have to ask them which door to come through. One door is safe, but the other one drops you into a black hole full of long spikes covered in boiling hot poison." "That's no problem," said Ergum, and he pointed at one of the doors. "Is this door safe?" he demanded. And then he added, to make himself look extra scary. "Yes," said one. "No," said the other. "What's going on?" gasped Ergum. Thag shouted down from above. "One guard always tells the truth and the other always lies." "Oh, really?" said Ergum, waving his axe nastily. "So who's telling the truth?" Me, me," they both said, pointing at themselves. "Bah," said Ergum. "Okay, which one of you is the liar?" "He is," they both said, pointing at each other. "Oh no," said Ergum. "How do I tell which door is safe?" "There's only one thing to do," shouted Thag. "Choose one guard. Then ask him the magic question. Would the other guard describe this door as safe or unsafe?" Interesting. This leads to 4 possibilities. Scenario 1. Let's say that Ergum is asking this liar. Then the true guard is guarding the safe door. He would say the door as safe. And then the liar Ergum asked would say that he would describe it as unsafe. Scenario 2. Let's say Ergum is asking the true guard. Then the liar is guarding the safe door. The liar would describe the door as unsafe. And therefore, the true guard Ergum asked would say that the other guard would describe it as unsafe. Scenario 3. Let's say Ergum is asking the liar and the true guard is guarding the unsafe door. He would describe the door as unsafe. And therefore, the liar Ergum asked would say that the other guard would describe it as safe. And scenario 4, the last one, let's say Ergum is asking the true guard and the liar is guarding the unsafe door, and he would describe the door as safe. Therefore, the true guard Ergum asked would say that the other guard would describe it as safe. See? The answer is always the opposite. Ergum could easily know which door was safe and which one was unsafe. And soon Ergum was inside the tower and he said Thag. So this is mathematics. Mathematics is not the answer. Mathematics is not the numbers. Mathematics is the process. It's the way you think. It's the logic. So ask yourself, what is mathematics? Let's say you are on a train to Scotland and you see a cow, a brown cow in the field. What would you describe? Someone would say that all cows in Scotland are brown. Well, this is wrong. Someone will challenge him. No, you are wrong. You should say that there is at least one cow in Scotland which is brown. And then the mathematician will say this: you are all wrong. You should say, in Scotland, there is at least one cow, one side of which is brown. because you don't know whether the other side is wrong or not. So this is the way mathematicians think. Don't mess up with mathematicians or your math teachers. They are very, very logical. And you have to listen to them very carefully, and you have to follow their instructions, and you have to finish all the mathematics assignment, because you have to acquire logics, problem-solving skills to tackle all the problems in your daily life. Thank you.